How to make him fall in love by reclaiming your power. Ladies, listen carefully, because this is where most women lose without even realizing it. If you want a man to truly fall in love with you, you have to stop acting like he's the prize. That's the first shift. Because the moment you start chasing, over-explaining, over-giving, you slowly lose your position, not just in his eyes, but in your own life. And here's the truth. Nobody tells you. A man doesn't fall in love with what is always available. He falls in love with what he feels he might lose. Now, before we go deeper, I want you to ask yourself something honestly. Are you showing up in your life as the prize, or are you waiting for someone else to choose you? Because that answer will explain everything. Subscribe to this channel right now if you want real, unfiltered truths about modern relationships. Because what I'm about to break down will change how you move forever. Now listen carefully. Most women think love comes from giving more attention, more time, more energy. But what actually happens is the opposite. The more you give without standards, the less he values what you bring. Because value is not created by effort alone, it's created by limitation. When something is rare, it becomes desired. When something is always there, it becomes normal. And nobody falls deeply in love with what feels normal. That's why when you become his emotional safety net, his constant validation, his guaranteed attention, you don't become special. You become predictable. And predictability kills attraction faster than rejection ever will. Now understand this clearly. This doesn't mean you play games. It means you stop abandoning yourself to keep someone else. Because the moment you make him your entire world, you disappear from your own. And a man cannot fall in love with a woman who has no center outside of him. He needs to feel like he's entering your world, not replacing it. That's where the shift begins. You become the woman who is completely okay walking away. Not because you don't care, but because you value yourself more than inconsistency. And that energy, that's what changes everything. Because now, he can't control you. He can't predict you. He can't take you for granted. And for the first time, he has to earn you. Now listen carefully, because this is powerful. Silence is one of the most misunderstood forms of power. Most women fear it. They rush to fill it. They over-text. They over-explain. But silence creates space. And in that space, he starts thinking. He wonders, why isn't she chasing me? Why isn't she reacting? What is she doing? And that curiosity, that's where attraction starts to rebuild. Because a man doesn't fall in love when you're doing everything for him. He falls in love when he's thinking about you when you're not there. That's the difference. So instead of asking for attention, become the woman whose absence is felt. Now listen to this next part closely. You must build a life that does not depend on him, your own goals, your own routine, your own happiness. Because when your life is full, you don't need his validation. And when you don't need him, that's when he starts needing you. It's a shift in energy. You stop seeking approval, and he starts seeking yours. That's when the dynamic flips. Now here's where most women make a mistake. They think distance is manipulation. It's not. Distance is clarity. It shows you who steps forward and who fades away. And the truth is simple. If he doesn't step forward when you step back, he was never serious to begin with. And that's not a loss. That's information. Now let's go deeper. A man values what he works for, not what he receives effortlessly. So if you give him your time, attention, and emotional investment without requiring effort, he won't protect it. He won't respect it. And eventually, he won't even notice it. But when your time becomes limited, when your attention becomes earned, now it means something. Now it has weight. Now it has value. And that's when he starts showing up differently. He starts trying more. He starts noticing more. He starts investing more. Not because you changed him, but because you changed how you show up. Now understand this. You are not here to convince a man to love you. You are here to observe if he's capable of loving you correctly. That's the mindset shift. You stop proving your worth and start protecting it. And once you do that, everything changes. Now listen carefully, because this is where real power comes in. Stop explaining your value to someone committed to misunderstanding you, because explanation without respect is just noise. And a man who wants you doesn't need constant reminders. He shows it through consistency, through effort, through presence. Now here's something most people won't say out loud. A little bit of uncertainty keeps attraction alive. Not toxic confusion, but the awareness that you are not guaranteed, that he could lose you if he doesn't step up. Because when a man feels secure without effort, he relaxes too much. But when he feels he has to maintain his place in your life, he invests, he grows, he commits. That's the balance. Not fear, but awareness. Now listen carefully. You are not an option. You are not convenience. You are not something someone picks up when they're bored. You are a full experience, a whole life, a complete world. And a man either rises to meet that, or he removes himself. There is no in-between. So stop shrinking yourself to fit someone's inconsistency. Stop lowering your standards to keep someone comfortable. Stop accepting less just because you're afraid to lose them. Because the truth is, the moment you accept less, you already lost yourself. And that is the real loss. Now here's the final truth you need to understand. A man falls in love with a woman who respects herself deeply, because that respect sets the tone for everything else. If you tolerate low effort, he gives low effort. If you demand consistency, he either rises or he leaves. And both outcomes work in your favor, because you're no longer chasing, you're choosing. Now listen, if you made it this far, subscribe to the channel right now, because this is where we separate emotional decisions from powerful ones. Because once you understand your value, you stop negotiating it. And once you stop negotiating it, everything in your life starts aligning differently. Now remember this, you are the prize. Not because you say it, but because you live like it. And when you truly believe that, you don't chase love, you attract it.